Alright guys, today we're going to do an oxalic acid treatment. This is my second treatment, so this is week 2 of doing it. There is my unit with my oxalic acid in there. So what I do is take that, go in about halfway with it. See if you can see. About halfway. Pretty much to these connections come out. And close my entrance. And then I put my phone on a timer for 1 minute once I connect the battery. All right, now listen. You can hear them once that smoke gets going. See the smoke coming out. But we're going to let that sit for 15 minutes all closed up like that. And plugged off in the back as well. See? Keep going out. This guy's trying to get in. There's always going to be one. There she is, doing her treatment. Now, from what I hear, that's the safest, natural way to do it. It seems to do good on the bees. That one's empty. I just got that one yesterday. Yeah, that's all there is to an oxalic acid treatment. Nothing major. All right, guys. Well, guys, that's pretty much all there is to an oxalic acid treatment. Plug the machine in, smoke them, block it all off for 15 minutes. That's about it. Don't forget, you don't need to smoke your bees. They'll be all right. Till next time, you guys like and subscribe. Appreciate y'all. Give me some comments.